Basically, what I was disappointed with Suno initially was that when I was taking out, like, a full song is one thing, but taking out the stems and then bringing them into a DAW like Ableton, I was a little bit disappointed, especially in the silent parts of that stem.
Your Suno stems sound like garbage when you pull them into Ableton. Hissing, fizzing, junk frequencies in the silent parts. I'm Zoran. I release a Z Tech House and I built 6 PDFs that fix it. Here's what's in them.
I would say right off the bat, I have no music that I'm putting out that's 100% AI, that I've just taken Suno and I've uploaded it. It's just not production ready. The thing that I have found is that there are some techniques and tricks that a lot of the YouTubers are either gatekeeping or they're basically just not telling you. Fizzing, you got hissing, you've got high frequencies and that sort of thing in your vocals. You might have stems once you've stemmed it out from Suno.
The bundle is 3 core volumes. Volume 1, The Prompt Architect. How to prompt Suno to get stems worth working with in the first place. Volume 2, The Surgical DAW. How to clean, treat, and rebuild those stems in Ableton. And I show you how to do that using paid plugins, but also with Ableton native alternatives wherever possible. Volume 3, The Hybrid Finisher. How to take what you've got and finish it to release quality, mastering included. Now look, this is built for intermediate to pro Ableton users, not for beginners. If you've never opened Ableton, then this most likely isn't for you.
I haven't built this for an Ableton beginner. I didn't see the point. There is a lot of content out there, specifically talking about, let's say, generating songs in Suno.
3 standalone companions go with the bundle. The Suno Genre Bible, how to prompt for genre as a production command, layers, categories, the structure Suno actually responds to. The Suno tag reference, what to put in the lyrics box to control build-ups, drops, bridges, key changes, the stuff that makes the difference between a usable track and a reroll. Then the AI Producer's Release Guide, where AI music sits right now in terms of copyright, the major label deals, and how to release hybrid music ethically. Dámelo, siente la presión, I'm the one in control.
I need a female vocalist for that. Now, I don't know any Latina female vocalists locally to me. And at the end of the day, I turned to Suno, and Suno was able to give me really, really good output. And I think you guys that have used it understand that there is a lot of really good output, especially the vocals. There's a lot of AI slop. My products are definitively designed to combat AI slop.
All 6 PDFs are on PayHip, links in the description. The 3-volume bundle is cheaper than buying them separately. The companions stand alone. If you want to see Suno to Ableton workflows broken down on the channel, drop a comment. Don't fear the tool, use it properly, and see you in the next one.